Right there?
There's just left of where you're pointing.
There?
Yeah, there's bits of seaweed, that's where you want to go.
Right, recording. Ready?
Go.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Love's Sundays. I've met up with my best buddy Andy Keslake, who I haven't seen for I don't know how long, six months, and he's brought his GoPro with him, so I'm going to do a comparison to see if I need to upgrade my ancient one. What do you got, Kez?
GoPro Hero 7, lengthened battery life. Bought it mainly to use on my mountain bike. I know it's not the most modern GoPro, but this one compared to the Hero 8, this one does exactly what I need, so I couldn't see the point in spending the extra money.
So hopefully you can hear me alright. We are pretty much right in the sort of midst of the waves on the rocks, just down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to chuck this in the water and have a look. Obviously we know what the quality of this is because it's been on my other videos. And then we're going to stick Andy's in the water as well, just so that we can do a comparison just to see which one's better. So what better to do when you haven't seen your best mate for, like I said, 6 months probably? Go to the beach!
Why not, eh? Why not?
More of a comprehensive review of the GoPro 7. We'll go for a swim. No wetsuits today. What do you reckon, Tia? Is he going to go all the way in? No, I don't think so either, to be fair. Tia, you a TikTok star then?
I have like millions of accounts. Please go follow my account I share with my best friend and her sister. It's like a Roblox Adopt Me. It's like a Roblox account. Please go follow it because we want to go live. Yeah.
I'll put a link below to her TikTok account so you can follow it if I don't even know what it's about, but it's my mate's little girl, so. What's that? It's alright for kids because they ain't got to go work on Monday.
Well, yeah, they break their leg, they get to sit at home for a bit longer.
I reckon he needs to jump in here, but the thing is, another one of our mates broke his back doing something like this, so probably not a good idea, but I think that was quite a bit higher.
Cliff jumping in Thailand, ended up in a back brace for a year. I don't think it was jumping off a dock at Swanpool.
No.
You know, it was like a 50-foot jump.
Let me know before you jump in, mate, because I don't want to miss it. I tell you what, your kid's braver than we are, mate. He won't be outdone. Nice hat though, cheers. In you go then. This little kid's testing the deepness for him before we end up having to go to Trelisk. You still alive, yeah? Right on. I suppose I gotta do it now. So where am I jumping?
Sort of straight there.
Right there?
There's just left of where you're pointing.
There?
Yeah, there's bits of seaweed, that's where you want to go.
Right, I'm recording. Ready?
Go.
So, Swanpool Beach today is pretty busy. Welcome to the school summer holidays. I think it's fine there, everyone seems to be at least sort of 2 meters apart and everything, so, you know, and it's, when you're outdoors anyway, you don't really mind so much. It's not like everyone's in a sports hall or anything like that, so, yeah, the only time people actually come close to you is when they're invading your space and walk past. But it can't be helped when the beach is this busy. You know, you can't complain about a beach being busy when you've gone there yourself and made it that bit busier. So as long as everyone's enjoying it and staying safe, that's the main thing. So Andy's decided to go up and queue for ice creams. I said, go ahead, mate, if that's what you want to do. The queue's pretty immense. How's your ice cream, mate?
Good.
Swanpool do these like ice creams with clotted cream on top, and then like Maltesers or chocolate buttons, that sort of thing, which is fine if you like clotted cream. Hannah does not like clotted cream.
Not at all. And
we didn't tell her that it came with that, so more ice cream for us, right? If you're interested in any of the gear, it's all in the description below, and I'll put a link to Andy's GoPro below as well. Well, I think we're going to end the video there, guys. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!